Now, we learned some position words, and we learned what a position means. It means that it shows us or tells us where a person or a thing is. We talked about left, right, above, below, and in between. Well, there are some other position words we need to know as well here in first grade. Okay. One of them is near and far. Now let's say I have this nice tree right here. And I have a cute little flower right next to it. Would you say this is near to the tree or far from the tree? Hannah. Near. What's another word for near? We call those synonyms. Two words that mean the same thing. What is another word that means the same thing as near? Close, yes. So this is near. Or close. Now, most of you guys know what far means, don't you? So, way far away from this tree, there's a lot of distance between this tree and this flower out here. Guess what? This flower and this flower are the same size. But this one is a far distance away from it. You have to walk a lot further from the tree to get out to this flower. If I took a ruler, you'd have to measure a lot more inches and feet to get to this one. Since there's more distance between it, a lot of distance between it, we say that this is far away. Far. Okay. Now, we're standing right here looking at the tree this way. And guess what? I have a cloud coming in. And I also have the sun. Now look, we can't see the whole sun, can we? The cloud is blocking its view. Well, that leads us to two more position words. One of them is in front of, and one of them is behind. In front of, behind. In front of, behind. Now, is this cloud in front of the sun, or is it behind the sun? Caleb.
It's blocking the sun.
It's blocking it, but that mean it's in front of or behind? You're right, it is blocking. What does that mean?
It means it's behind the cloud.
Yes, but is the cloud in front of the sun or behind the sun?
In front.
It is in front, yes. This is in front. Okay, the sun is in front. And you know how we know? If we're standing right here, it's closer to us, isn't it? If I tried to walk out and touch that cloud or the sun, I'd get to the cloud first, wouldn't I? Because it's closer to us. It is in front of. Okay? It's blocking the sun. Okay? That means this sun must be behind. It is behind the cloud. It's further away. There's something blocking it. So it is, it is further away. It is behind it. Okay? Now, Let's say here's my tree, here's my flowers. I have a neat little bench right here. Okay. And it has little, it's going this way and this way.
And this one.
Okay, now, here's my bench. If there is something directly to the side of it, draw a little frog. Right here. And there's his little eyes. If it's right at the side of something, we say it is next to it. Next to it. Next. Okay. Next. You guys use this word a lot when we're talking about who we sit by. You could say that, oh, Chad sits next to Jacob because they're right at his side. Braden also sits next to Jacob, okay, because he's at his side. So if there's something at its side, that word is next. Okay. Now, two more words that you guys probably know. I have a cute little squirrel, and it's going up to get an acorn from this tree. So here's my little squirrel. Here's his little head, his little feet, his body, and here's his bushy tail. Whee! Is he running up the tree or down the tree? Campbell. Up. He's going to a higher place. He's getting further away from the ground. Okay? He's going up. He's going higher. But guess what? He gets up there, tries to get an acorn, and the acorn falls. Is that acorn going up the tree or down? Zachary. Down. Because it has less and less height. It's going to a lower place. The squirrel is going up. The acorn's falling down. That's bad luck for that squirrel, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay. So a lot of these position words you guys know, but something we need to go over, especially when you look at a picture, because it's easier to see in real life if something's in front or behind. But we have to be able to look at a picture and do so as well. So that's what we practice with this. The way we're going to practice in our math book.